Hey guys, today I was lucky enough to receive and use my new meat claws that I ordered from Amazon. For a while now, I've been using nothing but two forks to shred my chicken in a lot of my favorite recipes, and I was wondering if there's any other way that I can shred them quicker, since they are a ton of work and a lot of time. Say hello to the Alpha Grillers meat claws. When I put in the order for these, I wasn't really expecting some super quick and efficient meat shredders, mainly because I've been using two forks my entire life to shred meat. But man, I gotta admit, these looked really cool. On one hand, you have some really efficient meat shredders. On the other, you look like Wolverine while doing it. Now, I gotta say, for how effective and simple these are to use, the price is incredible. These things came in sharp and stayed just as sharp after a good amount of shredding, so I'm expecting these to last a while. I'm gonna go ahead and shred some chicken for you guys to really show off how effective these things are. So I just finished boiling this chicken for a pasta recipe, and remembered that my claws came in the other day. I had to cut the chicken, just make sure I don't get any salmonella. Looks pretty good, so I'll go ahead and pull out the claws and see how they shred. I was honestly pretty nervous to use them since they were plastic, but oh man, just watch as these things completely destroy that chicken. Nearly no effort at all, shredding this chicken to pieces in a matter of seconds. Honestly, this entire time I was giggling like a little girl just of how good these claws were shredding the chicken. Just look at it, just put that work in. It's actually amazing. After having used two forks to cut one chicken for 3 minutes, using these claws to shred one chicken in less than a minute felt amazing. These things aren't good for just chicken though, even though that's what you're seeing here. They're also pretty good at shredding pork, such as pulled pork, which I honestly made not too long ago, and I just was thinking about these, and I was like, man, this would have been so much better if I used these instead of just two forks, as I always do. And yeah, I think it would have worked like a charm. So a little about these claws. They're actually heat resistant, good to use right off the grill without any worry to wear and tear. These claws are dishwasher friendly, so you can just throw them in right along with plates and silverware. And on top of that, it can be used to shred veggies and fruits, if you need to shred some watermelon or any sort of, like, let's say carrots. Super good at those too. Honestly, these claws were exactly what I needed in my kitchen to help speed up and simplify cooking, and they worked like a charm, and they are incredibly amazing. All right. Thank you guys for watching.